The problem is, where's my tools? Where did I put that wrench? The fix is this bag. It rolls up small and you can carry exactly what you need without losing anything. Before I bought this bag and I was looking at the reviews, everybody was just blown away by just how much stuff fits in this bag. It looks small, but it's almost like a magic trick. People are packing just tons of tools, wrenches, pliers, everything you can imagine inside. I saw where one guy fit a whole mechanic set of tools and he still had room to spare. Well, I can honestly say it is crazy how much stuff you can put in this Ryker Tool Bag. The only negatives that I saw was some complaints about the zippers. Some people said that the zippers felt kind of flimsy. I don't really agree with that because I think this whole bag is just built like a tank. The zippers may be a little light duty, but everything else is exceptional.
Now, I think these are awesome, and I wouldn't mind if anyone gave me a gift like this. And it doesn't have to just be tools. I mean, let your mind wander. Anything that you need to store and carry around and roll up and throw in your vehicle, it is perfect for that.